Hello, my luminous ones. It is Kay, and I am back with some more stress busting techniques. So, one that I learned from actually a body therapist is called, she calls it hooking up. Please do not take it as the other kind of hooking up. I don't do that. Um, this kind of hooking up, you're going to fold your hands and you're going to cross your thumbs. You're also going to cross your feet. Can you see my feet? Probably not. Cross your legs like this. Okay, and what that does is that actually helps to keep your energy in you and calm your energy. And it also helps calm the people around you, believe it or not, because we have energy in our bodies and we're electrically designed. Our energy really does impact the people around us. And so when we're in a high stress situation and we've got a lot of anxiety, or somebody we love has a lot of anxiety, if somebody we love has behavioral difficulties or some mental health issues where they get a little dysregulated pretty easily, this is a really good strategy for you to use when they're dysregulated. So if they're throwing a temper tantrum, you hook up. You put your thumbs over each other like this. You cross your legs. You can do it when you're standing up. And then you just practice that deep breathing that we said yesterday, because if you put two approaches together, it's even more powerful. So let's do one quick deep breath while we're hooked up and keep our energy in and let everybody else's energy just calm and settle. Ready? Breathe in. Hold it. And breathe out. All right. Go forth. Pen light.